Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The South Korean giant company is adding new special upgrades to its next foldables. According to the latest news data, Samsung is introducing improved display notch technology and special variable focal length lenses to the Galaxy Z Fold 8. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is much thinner and smaller in width than the Huawei Pura X Max. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is preparing to release the new Galaxy Z Fold 8, with significant improvements, primarily related to the design of the display notch. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 will feature a significantly smaller display notch, thanks to the use of advanced XA technology and high refractive index (HRI) lenses. According to Insider Ice Universe, reported that the front-facing camera hole in the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 will be 32% smaller, decreasing from 3.7mm in the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to 2.5mm in the Z Fold 8. In addition, the insider highlighted two key technological solutions that will allow Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 to significantly reduce the size of the display cutout for the front camera. This technology reduces the buffer zone between the hole and the active pixels of an OLED display panel. To achieve this, Samsung will reportedly employ innovations in vacuum sealing and precision laser engraving. In parallel, to compensate for the potential reduction in image quality due to less light entering through the smaller aperture, these lenses direct light more efficiently, allowing even a smaller aperture to capture more light. Samsung also plans to place some auxiliary sensors, such as proximity and light sensors, directly under the display for the Galaxy Z Fold 8. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is much thinner and smaller in width than the Huawei Pura X Max. An exclusive size leak from social media shows a side-by-side comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide and Huawei Pura X Max. Samsung's upcoming wide foldable tablet features a 4:3 aspect ratio and an ultra-thin 4.3mm profile, while the Huawei Pura X Max is bulkier. This early comparison suggests a major shift in Samsung's foldable device strategy for 2026. According to leaked specifications, the Samsung device is expected to be surprisingly thin, just 4.3mm when unfolded, and 9.8mm when folded. In contrast, the Huawei Pura X Max is larger and thicker. It is expected that the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 line will launch on July 22nd this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.